Welcome to our journey through the fascinating book of Romans. If you're new to the Bible, you're in for an intriguing exploration. Imagine uncovering a letter that has shaped faith and life for millions through centuries.
Penned by the Apostle Paul, Romans is a profound epistle that unfolds the grand narrative of God's plan for humanity. Right from the start, Paul sets the stage with Romans 1:16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel, because it is the power of God that brings salvation to everyone who believes. This verse highlights the core of the book, the power of faith in salvation. Romans intricately discusses themes of sin, grace, and redemption. In chapter 3, verse 23, Paul states, "For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God." Here, he reminds us of humanity's universal need for salvation. It's a sobering truth that leads us to seek hope and redemption. Paul then moves to the transformative power of faith. Romans 5:8 beautifully conveys, "But God demonstrates his own love for us in this: while we were still sinners, Christ died for us." This verse encapsulates God's incredible love and the essence of grace. Through Jesus' sacrifice, believers receive justification and peace with God. In Romans 8, perhaps the book's most uplifting chapter, Paul reassures us, "And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him," says verse 28, offering comfort and hope. Paul's words remind us that amidst life's chaos, God's divine plan prevails. One of the most remarkable aspects of Romans is its conclusion in chapter 12, where Paul calls believers to live transformed lives. He urges, "Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind," emphasizing a life of service and love. Romans isn't just a letter. It's a manifesto for living a life of faith. Whether you're seeking clarity, guidance, or inspiration, Romans speaks to timeless human struggles and divine solutions. Stay curious and explore further, as these ancient words continue to echo profound truths today.